Neureto. GRE Verbal Reasoning. Reading comprehension. Specific detail questions. What detail questions ask? Detail questions ask for something the passage states directly, not implied, stated. If you cannot underline it in the passage, it is not the answer. Stem signals. Watch for phrases that send you back to the text. They mean locate, then match. 4 stems all mean the same thing. Locate. According to the passage, the author states, the passage indicates, which is mentioned. Each one wants a fact you can point to. Locate, then match. 2 moves. First, scan for the lines that name the topic. Then match the answer to those exact lines. Do not reread everything. Scan for the topic keyword. The answer lives in 2 or 3 sentences. Find those. A worked passage. A copper skylight lit Wendelin Library from 1881. In 1919, the dome cracked. Trustees sealed it and added electric lamps. The stem. The passage indicates that after the dome cracked, trustees did what? Option E, restored the original glass. The passage says the opposite. Option C, sealed the opening, added lamps. C is the paraphrase. C is correct. The classic trap. Trap options borrow the passage's words, then reverse the meaning, exaggerate it, or recombine the facts. Same nouns, opposite action. The trap recycles glass and original from the passage, but the verb is reversed. When 2 options share the passage's vocabulary, pick the one whose verb matches the action in the text. Edge case, the except stem. All of the following except. You are no longer matching. You are hunting for the option that is not in the passage. The mantra. 3 rules. Underline it, or it is not the answer. Locate first, never recall from memory. Watch for vocabulary echoes with swapped actions. Run a few detail questions on your own. The pattern rewards repetition. Neureto. Stop studying what you already know.